Okay, so I'm leaning it up against the base unit, my camera, so I'm gonna I'm gonna film the unscrewing from the circuit board here. And these screws are really small, so you gotta be precise. Hang on a minute. There. This takes a while, and I've got the battery pulled out of the phone to prevent electrical hazard. Here, right in here, are the two charging connectors that go here in the base. So those screws are out. So watch as I pull it off. There. So here it is. I took it apart. Here, this is it. It's the Uniden D1560BK, and I've already attempted to, not 1483BK, 1560BK, and I've already attempted to take it off before, and I think it was a manufacturer problem, because I've seen it of another phone that's got this problem. So, first, I'll plug it back in. Whose birthday? Sorry. I'm talking to somebody else I know who just happens to be upstairs playing the piano. So here it's powered on with no electrical hazard. So now I'm gonna put this on the phone, and see, it's working now. It's very bright too. And alright, so these buttons should work if it was a normal phone. So see, that works. Press hard as I might, the button still doesn't work. I think this one does, but all of these don't. So it's obviously in the phone. So there, so I take apart the phone on the show. So now I'm gonna put this back in this case. There. That's my sister up there playing the piano. She's very talented, as I've said in another video. So now I'm going to screw this back in. And I think I can take apart more phones on the show now that I've got this effective tripod. So, place this in this hole and start it. And screw it in. And this is the screen part right here. And this is probably the keypad. Here's the battery, and this is the antenna that comes to the base here. So, after I'm done screwing this in, and I'm sorry you couldn't see that part here. I'm very sorry about that. I didn't see that. So there. That's put in. So now as I do this, I'm almost done with this. Okay. There's my mom. Alright, I am almost finished. So as I screw this in, well, there's the first one. So now as I do this one here, oops, dropped the nail. So I'm going to screw this in, and that's the furnace coming on. The video will be over by the time I get the furnace turned on. So, just to make sure that it kept working, I don't want the phone to stop working, although technically it would, so I could buy a new handset. Jordan Yu has about 50 million of these. Actually, I think he's got 6 or 7. So here, it still lights up, and it still charges. So that's our video. This is Phone Goat.